Hello guys, welcome back to Panda Trades. Thank y'all for tuning in. Um, I want to talk to you about, guys, to do some market analysis and show you the Bitcoin chart and what's going on with this market, which is just crazy. Um, every time we think we're gonna bust to the upside, we got rejection. All right, guys. Let's talk about the ES here. I took all the drawing out, all the levels, so we can do it together. You get a better indication. We're here on the weekly on the ES. As you can see here, this is a level here that we got reject once, twice, and then we broke it, right? And this level is about 30. 39, 30, 40. So as you can see, acted here, and we did the same thing over here on the weekly. Let's look at the next level. We had this level right here, which is the 38.20, and we just kept going lower. It's the weekly, yeah. We just looks like we're gonna have another leg down. This is the first leg, pull back, and it looks like we're gonna keep lower, going lower. This is the weekly, of course, and we have another level here. As you see, guys, this is the 3700 area on the weekly. And if we break that, we have a level around the 3650, and 36 is not a very strong level. I wouldn't consider that a strong level on the ES. The next one we're gonna see is gonna be the 3500s. So tomorrow's the CPI. We're gonna watch that, but we're gonna keep watching the market and react to it. Because if we break that 35, really the next level that I'm gonna be watching is gonna be around the 3200 level. This is the next level I'll be watching, which is right here on the weekly. As you can see, guys, we got all the way to the high. That's the weekly chart of 4800, and then since then we just on downtrend. We have a lower high and another lower high, and it looks like we're forming the fourth lower high. Tomorrow is gonna tell us what the market want to do. This is the weekly. This is the levels I'll be watching to have a reaction of what's really going on. As you can see here, we got rejection at the 3930 area. Rejection. That's a daily. We moved lower. We had a little bounce for 3 days, and then we got big rejection again today, and now we're forming this candle here. It was looking good, actually. We put the Fibonacci here. It was 50%. Then we moved higher. We got rejected at 38. So now really want to see what's going to happen in those levels. It's hard to trust that. We might have a bounce tomorrow. It really depends on the CPI numbers. They're going to come in. Let's put those numbers. Put the numbers for you. No. Well, we'll have the CPI numbers tomorrow at 8:30, and it's really going to determine what's going to happen here. So on the ES, we rejected the 39.30. We rejected the 38.20. Next level I'm going to be watching will be the 3710, 3700. We might have a pullback around this area here, the 3750. So on the daily, not the weekly, if we are going to have a strong this is right here, yep, right here, we might have a bounce on the daily, and then we can keep lower, then we're going to go higher, and now it's really tomorrow, it's what's going to determine where we're going to go. Let's go on SPY. I did not clear those levels. It'll be hard for you to see, but it's basically the same thing happening. I don't use SPY very much. Let me clear those levels. Remove. Okay. All right. See the 371, 370, 371 level. That's a strong level. We're going to see tomorrow. It's going to happen around that level. We have a lower high as well over here. And we got rejected at 380 today. So it's going to be interesting, pretty interesting to watch tomorrow, the CPI numbers, and get a better indication of what's the market going to do. As far as crypto going, this is pretty bad actually. We have FTX guy who was a billionaire and now he owns millions of dollars. Basically, bad decision. I mean, it happened a day and it's just gone, you know. And I still have holdings of FTX and Solana just went all the way down, just plunged. Just crazy. Just see halt Solana and USDC, USDT. I mean, you can't do anything. It's just pretty crazy, in my opinion. You guys can read more about it and see what's going on. But yeah, that was pretty crazy. And let's look at the chart of what happened here. So we have Bitcoin here. This is the daily Bitcoin. These levels I've been watching for a long time. But we have this support level that was forming here. And we basically was going for a long time at these levels. You see right here. It was this demand zone from 15, most like more towards the 18, 17, 18,000, and it was looking good till a couple of days ago, and all of a sudden it plunged because what FTX did, which I'm not going to get into it right now, but it's just plunged. And today we tried to save Bitcoin around 17,000, so it won't go any further. But it already got the low of 15.5, which is crazy. So the next level I'll be watching for crypto, for Bitcoin, will be 12,000, between 8 to 12,000, if it's gonna have any bounce, because it's really hard to know what's gonna happen with crypto or the future of crypto. At that point, it's pretty pretty crazy. So if we break this demand zone, we're gonna be watching the 12,000, 8 to 12,000 area for Bitcoin. Look at Solana. Look at what happened to Solana. This is just crazy, man. It just it had a demand zone right here. It was looking good. It's like, hey, you know, it was 38. All of a sudden, it's 14. So whoever shorted it, it's same with BNB though. BNB got all the way up to 300 and almost 400 bucks. Almost 400 bucks. And now it's 270. Like, guys, you just shorted it a little bit. You know, even with a small size, one Bitcoin short, you're gonna make 4 or 5 grand just of FTX Sam mistake, you know. So again, if crypto gonna get another leg down, we might have a bounce and then another leg down. I'll be watching 8 to 12,000 Bitcoin before we're gonna have a strong bounce to the upside. Same with Ethereum. We're all the way to 1600, and now next level would be 1,000, 800 to 1,000 Ethereum. This is crazy. We were just like not long ago was 5 grand, like here. It's just like people were buying and buying and buying, and it's just like didn't read the market right. And it's like, you got $4,000 for one Ether. So guys, that's it. Tomorrow the CPI. Try not to rush any trades or anything, and try not to long breakouts. Again, as we see today, breakouts in this market, it's not gonna happen in most cases. So try not to go long on breakouts. We in a bear market. It's just you gotta adjust. It looks like we're already in recession, as you can see, but it looks like it's gonna get worse. I don't know what's the CPI gonna come out as. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just reading the markets and the charts. But it looks like we're gonna have another leg down, a way deeper one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from that, and you're gonna be very careful with trading tomorrow. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.